Is your Kenmore dishwasher leaving standing water after a cycle? You're not alone. Drainage issues affect about 35% of dishwasher service calls in 2025. This section will guide you through identifying and clearing the most common drainage problems. First, ensure your dishwasher has completed its full cycle. Sometimes what appears to be a drainage problem is simply an interrupted wash cycle. Check that all indicator lights show the cycle is finished. Next, check your kitchen's garbage disposal. A clogged disposal is often the culprit behind dishwasher drainage issues. Run your garbage disposal briefly to clear any blockages before proceeding. Now for the most important step, inspecting and cleaning the dishwasher's filter system. The filters are located at the bottom of the tub, beneath the spray arm. Remove the bottom dish rack first to access them. Clean your filters monthly for optimal performance. Thorough filter maintenance resolves about 60% of drainage issues and can extend your dishwasher's lifespan by 40%. Finally, examine the drain hose for kinks, clogs, or improper installation. The drain hose should have a high loop configuration to prevent dirty water from backing up into your dishwasher. This simple check often resolves remaining drainage problems. These 4 simple diagnostic steps, checking cycle completion, clearing the garbage disposal, cleaning the filter system, and inspecting the drain hose, resolve the majority of Kenmore dishwasher drainage problems. Regular monthly maintenance of these components will keep your dishwasher running smoothly. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your Kenmore dishwasher's drainage issues, the problem may lie with the drain pump itself. This critical component actively pushes water out through the drain system. The first step in diagnosing pump issues is listening for unusual sounds during the drain cycle. A failing pump often produces grinding, humming, or clicking noises that indicate internal damage or obstruction. Safety is paramount when working with dishwashers. Always disconnect power to the unit before attempting any inspection or repair work. This protects you from electrical shock and prevents accidental operation. Next, perform a visual inspection of the pump housing area. Remove the bottom dish rack and filter assembly to access the pump area. Look for visible damage, debris, or foreign objects that might be obstructing the pump mechanism. Many modern Kenmore dishwashers feature diagnostic modes that can help identify specific problems. These modes display error codes that pinpoint drainage issues, pump failures, or other system problems. For persistent drainage issues, chemical cleaning can help dissolve buildup and clear minor obstructions. You can use commercial dishwasher cleaners or create your own solution with white vinegar and baking soda. When deciding between DIY repairs and professional service, consider the complexity of the issue and your warranty status. Simple cleaning and inspection are safe DIY tasks, but pump replacement and electrical work should be left to professionals. Remember that drain pump issues often require professional diagnosis and repair. While these troubleshooting steps can help identify the problem, complex internal pump failures typically need expert attention to ensure safe and effective resolution.